Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's June 9th, Lawrenceville, Georgia. We've hit 90 degrees and 100 degrees this week. And as you can see, the onions have said that's enough of that. So the onions are pretty well done. These are a Grain-X variety of onion. We get from Dixondale Farm. They're the same kind of onion that makes the famous Vidalia onion. And as you can see, it grows pretty good up here too. I don't know, boy, it's hard to complain about onions that look like that. So, it's not supposed to rain for a couple of days. So we can get these pulled and laid out here to dry. Let them cure a little bit before we take them in. They'll last longer. You get to dry some. I bought 2 packages of the onions, and this was the main planting, and you saw a couple of days ago where I picked the other one. That was the ones that were left over that didn't fit in this space. It's hard to beat a harvest. Look at the size of the onion. And it's not the only one. There's lots of these guys. Okay, we're going to lay these out on racks for a couple of days, let them dry, then they'll be ready to store, and they won't last very long because we really do like the Vidalia type onions, especially the ones that we grow. So this is David at Grow and Eat This, Lawrenceville, Georgia. June 9th, into the onion harvest. Time to get the sweet potatoes in, hopefully in that same soil with a bunch of compost added. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and if you got some tips on growing this stuff, please leave them down in the messages so we can all learn. Thank you for watching.